Let's see what happens when you raise number to the 0th power. Let's start with 3 to the 7th and let's divide that by 3 to the 5th. So this quotient is equal 3 raised to another power. So what is that power? And if you are not sure, click up here to review my other video dividing powers. 3 to the 7th divided by 3 to the 5th equals 3 to the 2nd because 7 minus 5 is 2. In general, when you divide powers with the same base, which was 3 in this example, you can subtract their exponents. So, what happens if we replace the 5 over here with another 7? So, if you divide 3 to the 7th by 3 to the 7th, then you will get 3 raised to what power? According to this rule. 7 minus 7 equals 0. So this fraction equals 3 to the 0th power. And you might have noticed that we are dividing 3 to the 7th by itself. Whenever you divide something by itself, you always get same number. So what's 3 to the 7th divided by 3 to the 7th? 3 to the 7th divided by itself equals 1 because anything divided by itself always equals 1. Okay, now let's just move that over here. So 3 to the 0th power equals 1. This could have worked with any number and any exponent. For example, what's 5 to the 4th divided by 5 to the 4th? Well, subtracting the exponents, this equals 5 to the 0th. And so, but you're also dividing 5 to the 4th by itself, so it also equals 1. So, 5 to the 4th also equals 1. In general, any number to the 0th power always gives you 1. Just for a little extra practice, try evaluating these three expressions. If you were to multiply by 0, you would get 0. But you are not multiplying here. You are raising to the 0th power instead. And we just saw that raising to the 0th always gives you 1. So each of these expression is 1. And the same goes for negative numbers as well. If you take negative 12 and then raise it to the 0th power, what do you think to get? And while you are at it, try evaluating 12 to the 0th with the negative number in front. So this expression up here says you are raising negative number to the 0th power, while this one says you have 12 to the 0th and then you are making it negative. Any number positive or negative raised to the 0th power equals 1. And down here 12 to the 0th is 1 and then you are making it negative, so finally you will get negative 1. So let's finish this lesson with this last question. Suppose I tell you that 7 raised to some power is equals 1. So can you figure out what's the missing exponent up here? It's very simple. This missing exponent should be 0 because 7 to the 0th power will always equals 1. So this is the another rule. Raising any number to the 0th power always gives you 1. Hope you have understood this. I'll give you the practice link in the description of this video. Go ahead and practice some more for this lesson.